What's going on, Diz fans? Today we are breaking down the biography of the vine-swinging jungle man, Tarzan. Tarzan is the protagonist in Disney's 1999 animated feature film, commonly known as the Ape Man. Tarzan was rescued and raised by a colony of apes after his parents were killed by the bloodthirsty saber. With help from his childhood friends, Tarzan would grow to become a great protector of the apes and the jungle at large, all the while never knowing of the outside world. Tarzan is an extremely brave and loyal character who cares deeply about his family and friends and was willing to risk his life to save them. He's even known to be willing to rescue his enemies. Having lived in the jungle his entire life, Tarzan developed exceptional abilities that would be impossible for other humans. He's able to swing through trees, slide across branches, hold objects with his feet, and have a good sense of hearing and smell that excels any human being. He's an incredible fighter, being able to hold his own against some of the jungle's deadliest predators. Animals of the jungle look to him for protecting and leadership. However, he has been challenged many times, as expected in the jungle, but always tends to hold his ground. Predators aren't the only threat in which Tarzan faces on a daily basis. He is very protective of the forest, often kicking the hunters out and destroying their guns and camps. Let us know what you think of the jungle protector Tarzan in the comments section down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all new Disney updates. Take care, Diz fans, and we'll see you on the next one.